When you look at the human body, it is a dynamic. There is a turnover of cells all over the body every day. It is said that every 7 years you're a new person because every cell in your body has been replaced. These replacements occur because of the presence of stem cells. The problem is, and this has been called the great mystery of arthritis, that when you look at an arthritic joint, whatever joint it may be, there is a paucity of these stem cells. The scarcity of the stem cells is the major reason why arthritic processes get worse with time. So in the normal knee, cartilage cells die, they get replaced. In the arthritic knee, because of this lack of stem cells, those normal cells are dying and not getting replaced. The question was, how do we get enough stem cells, A, into a joint, and B, get them to do something while they're in there to restore the normal equilibrium, that is, the breakdown of the normal cartilage cells and the replacement of those cells, number one. And number two, could they start to fill in where cartilage has been lost? The three things that are needed are a matrix, that's something for them to stick to. They need growth factor, so they can grow. And lastly, they need something called angiogenesis. What angiogenesis means is attract blood supply to the area, so the stem cells will actually replace the cartilage. In a process called PRP, where we take this patient's blood, spin it down and isolate cells called platelets. It so happens that those platelet cells supply all three of those. They supply the matrix, they supply the angiogenesis, and they supply the growth factor. What do we accomplish with this? Number one, we restore the normal equilibrium that I talked about earlier. Number two, we get ingrowth of cells, cartilage cells, where there were none before. So I'm very pleased with the results. I actually had the procedure done to myself, so I'm quite familiar with what it takes to have it done. It's done in office, it's done under local anesthetic. There is no pain at all involved. The joint feels full for 5 or 6 days after the procedure is done. The patient is able to walk on it right away, climb stairs, there's no crutches, there's no significant limitation of activities. All we ask in the weight-bearing joints, the ankle, knee, and hip, is that there's no impact loading or torque for about 6 to 8 weeks.